Hello everybody, how's it going today? It is Cheddar again, and today I am going to discuss making your first game mode for your SAMP server. I call it SAMP, San Andreas Multiplayer. Anyway, first thing you're going to do is go into your internet, and you're going to do sa-mp.com, samp.com, SAMP website. We're going to go to downloads, and we're going to download our server here. Now, I have Windows, and if you have Linux, I mean, you pretty much have to have Windows to edit a script. Although I'm not saying it's not possible to do on Linux, but we're doing a Windows guide. So, Windows, you know, that's where it's all at, man. That's where it's at. Anyway. No, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to restart. Okay, and then we're going to extract it to a folder on our desktop. I'm going to call it TUT. T-U-T, tutorial. Okay, so now we've got our folder here. So we're going to go in here, and we're going to go into Pano. Okay, then we're going to click on this Pano deal here. Okay, that's great. Now, what you're going to want to do is click this little new thing here, and go Control A, backspace. We should have a completely brand new script. If you do, then you may continue, and that kind of rhymes. I'm being an idiot right now, but oh well. So, the first thing that we're going to talk about today are the very basics to getting started with your game mode. So this is kind of a do this and I'll explain it later video. So the first thing I'm going to say is that when you do // like that, it becomes a comment. Okay, I can't type when I'm talking, so sorry if I mess things up. So the first comment I'm going to have here, includes, and you don't have to have a comment if you don't want to. It's only for your benefit. And then we're going to do number sign include. Now you use this to include a file, which basically is kind of like a mini script. It's like over here, a_http.inc. That is an include file, and this is a function from that include file. Okay, and we're going to include a_SAMP, and this is the basic include that you gotta have. Okay, now for now we're just gonna do main. Okay, and then we're gonna put curly brackets. Okay. Now this script will run, but it won't do a single thing. So for it to be a little more alive, I guess just add this and I'll tell you what it is later. Okay. So this main thing, it's just the main thing. It happens one time when you start the script. This is called a callback. I like to call it a public, but callback, kind of the same thing. And basically, this certain one, this callback on game mode init, it's a little self-explanatory. On, when, game mode, initiate, you know. So this code in here, in between the curly brackets, I call these curly brackets, this code is executed when the game mode initiates. Okay, so let's do print hi. I'm getting kind of annoyed right now because I had to do this video twice already. Actually, more like 5 times because of yesterday too, but anyway. I'm not going to explain this very much yet, but, oh, oops. Just know that this prints text on the server console. Oh, whoops. Whoa, epic fail. And this is a callback. This and this. And this is the main loop, and this is an include. This is a comment, and another type of comment is this. Comment. Okay, so that's that. And you know, you can't play with this, but it's a beginning. And this video is gonna get long, and I don't want it to be long, so we're gonna go into our folder and save it in game mode. And I'm saving mine as tutorial tutorial. And we're gonna click this compile up here, not the blue arrow, but the one next to it. Now we're gonna X out of here and go into here. And you're gonna see the Server.cfg, and you're gonna open this with Notepad, and it should look pretty much like this. Now, first thing we're gonna change is this Archon password. This is, well, honestly, I'm not even gonna tell you what this is yet, because I'll tell you later. Okay. You can make the max players higher or lower, whatever. It's got to be between 2 and 500, I believe. I know 500 is the max. Ports, just leave that alone for now. Host name. This is the server name. Okay. Grand Lark tutorial. This is basically whatever you named your game mode. We're just gonna completely remove that line, and that's it. Control S, save. Now, if we run the server, it'll say hi, and then when we exit, if we look in the log, it said hi, and then when the server shut down, it said hi. So that is that. And this is just the basic getting started video. Now, I'm gonna explain all of what we just talked about in the next couple of videos, so just hang tight here, people. We're almost there. So, thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you later. If I can stop the video. See ya.